Okay.
And we have a discussion on the book.
No
No
talking.
talking.
Andrew Clemens.
Right now we're on page 68. So if you want to know who we are,
And
We have a prediction,
that
and we
think that the teachers aren't going to do anything about the kids not
because they think it'll be a good thing to learn, and like how so they can work together and possibly have have synergy.
But also, along the way, I think the teachers will get really frustrated because if, like, they say, give Johnny or whatever, tell me 5 words that relate to, that are synonyms to,
Like
star or space, and then Johnny will be like, blah 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 blah, and then the teacher will know it's over the 3 word. So they would have to do go ahead, Johnny, keep on going, and they would have to do that a lot.
Yeah.
Like in music class. In music class, that's gonna be like a really hard.
And
problem.
another
Yes.
thing is that would be bad for the teachers is good because the kids in 5th grade had the nickname of the Unshushable because they couldn't be quieted and they always were talking no matter what.
yeah, but I also think that the teachers might like it partly because they really like the silence. Because so far the teachers have been okay with the silence and actually kind of enjoying it better than all the noise and loudness.
So, yeah, that was our discussion.
Thanks for listening.